Alright, you guys, I am at Lightning Dollar Link, Chica, Bonita. I have about $185 in free play, so we're gonna just put it all in and see if we can try and maybe double that today. So part of my New Year's resolution is to play less Dragon Link, but I do still like the Link game, so I think maybe Lightning Link or Dollar Storm or something like that. Maybe my lucky game this year. We'll see. And I'm sorry, you guys, this is at its highest volume and it's not really loud. We need 3 of those peppers for free spins or 6 of those. Yep, there you go for a home spin. All right, let's see how we do. All right. You guys have any New Year's resolution? Comment down below. Let me know. So mine is obviously gambling wise. Is to play less Dragon Link. It's been kind of like meh to me, so I'm not really feeling it. Oh dang it! Alright. It's a little baby bonus. Nothing to. $45. Not bad. Try and. Then another one of my resolutions should be to be better prepared when I'm recording. All right, you know how we do it. So when we have a win on free play, we cash out, and then and then at WinStar now there's it's doing a weird thing where when I cash out, even if it's free play, I have to reload it again. Withdraw, full amount, confirm. All right, we still have $167.50 in here. So let's continue on. Maybe we spin it down a little bit. Maybe see if we can switch denomination. Or one more. Yes. Nice. Okay. My regular New Year's resolution is to drink more water. I definitely need to drink more water. I suck at drinking water. I don't know why. It just doesn't appeal to me. So, but I know I need to be better at that. So, oh, yuck. Oh, Chica. $13, you guys. Oh. Oh, that's it. $17. All right. Let's withdraw that too. Why not, you know? But, so definitely drink more water, play less Dragon Link, travel more. So my husband and I are trying to hit all 50 states. And we have like only 7 states left to go. So we're gonna try and get it all this year. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but we are planning an Alaskan cruise. Alaska is one of the states that we need to hit. So we're planning an Alaskan cruise for this year. Hopefully it'll work out. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, yuck. And then another one of my gambling goal or casino goal really is to go to more casinos that I haven't been to, and then also I've never had a hand pay that is 5 figures. So like anything more than 10,000 I haven't had. So dang it, one more. So that would be nice. It's a goal. It's not a resolution, it's a goal. Ooh, okay, I'm cashing that out. And then I have to still have $167 $17. Let me redeposit that. This is so annoying. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay. Hang on. Alright. Let's go down to 100, and then if we don't get another bonus. Oh, no, we got it. Never mind. Sure would like to get one of those bonus mini or minor. I've never had like a double mini or minor or whatever jackpots here. So not a goal, not a resolution, but a goal. Something land with a word. Nope. Let's see how we do. Okay, better than the $47. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna cash out, and then we're gonna have to load the free play again. This really is so annoying, you guys. I'm so sorry. More spins at this level, and then well, maybe, what do you think? Should we do $5, $1 denomination, $5 bet? Ooh. All right, let's do it. Main menu. Oh, maybe 25 cents. Let's try 25. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. 15. Okay, $3.75. Oh. Dang it. Oh, that might be good. $28. We're gonna cash that out too. And then we'll deposit the funds again. Jesus. Well, at least we're winning some. We're getting some good line hits and some bonuses, right? $78.75. I think we got what, like 20 spins on this denomination. Oh, yes. Nice. All right, let's see if we can get a better bonus or a better payout than like 20 something bucks. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. All right, Chica. I see you. See you, Chica. Oh. Can there be orbs? Like, can there be numbers? I think it can. Oh, but it didn't. It didn't. All right, $63. Reload my free play. You guys, there's like a whole bunch of Phoenix Link machines here, but every single one of them is full. I want to like that game, I really do, but it is like, it takes so much of your money and then it doesn't pay you back hardly anything. Ooh, okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go risky. We're gonna do the last 10. We're gonna do the last 10 spins at $1 denomination, $5 bets. Oh. Yo. It would have been nice to get a bonus. One more. Oh, yuck. Oh, man. Okay. Nope, we didn't get it. But we did turn our $185 of free play into, let me see how much, $244, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna withdraw that. Confirm? Yeah, 244, and I'm gonna cash that out and see you guys on the next one.